green buildings are becoming a buzzword in the real estate sector owing to their multitude of benefits. In a city like Bengaluru, which is facing severe environmental challenges, including air pollution and water scarcity, there's an urgent need for green buildings as they offer a sustainable solution. Hello and welcome to MBTV. I'm your host, Nitya Krishnamurthy Padmanabhan, and today we will review Nandi Meraki, an upcoming sustainable project that's located just off the buzzing Bannerghatta Road in South Bengaluru. Let me start by giving you the top USPs of the project. Nandi Meraki is situated along a serene 14-acre lake offering picturesque views to residents. The project has a solar-powered facility that attends to 70% of the electricity needs of residents, in addition to giving power to the common areas. Located strategically off Bannerghatta Road, Nandi Meraki is being developed by Nandi Housing. According to the design, the buildings are low-rise structures that seem to blend into the surrounding landscape. A total of 448 units are available in 1, 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK layouts. The project comprises 4 towers with a G+4 structure. Additionally, it features 611 covered parking spots. The project is slated to be ready for possession by December 2027. Each structure is designed to be disabled and elderly friendly, ensuring inclusivity. Residents can experience tranquility at the Pancha Mahabhuta courtyards, where the elements of nature come together to create serene spaces for relaxation. Let's now delve deeper into the project's details. This project holds a preliminary Advanced EDGE certification, which is granted to buildings that save at least 40% in energy, water, and embodied energy. There are some admirable features that the developer is implementing in the project. A rainfall harvesting tank with a capacity of 7 lakh litres, low-flow fixtures, and recycled water are all designed to minimize dependence on external sources. The project's developer, Nandi Housing, is one of Bengaluru's oldest developers with 43 years of expertise. A list of their completed projects is displayed on your screen. The most sought-after unit at the project is the 3 BHK with a carpet area of 1,220 square feet. This type of unit's entrance foyer leads to a living-cum-dining room that extends to a balcony. The kitchen comes with an adjoining utility room. 2 of the bedrooms offer attached washrooms, and there's also a shared washroom in the unit. The price of this type of unit, as well as the other configurations at the project, are displayed on your screen. Please note that real estate prices vary over time, so it is advisable to confirm the current prices with the developer or on magicbricks.com before making any investment decisions. Now, let's examine another project called Serenity Gardens by SNN Estates that's approximately 3 kilometers away from Nandi Meraki. The carpet areas of the 2 and 3 BHKs at Serenity Gardens begin at a lower range but extend to larger dimensions compared to Nandi Meraki, thus offering a broader price range. Let's take a look at the connectivity and neighborhood of Nandi Meraki. Strategically located off Bannerghatta Road, the project offers easy access to Electronic City. Additionally, it will be conveniently situated near a metro station along the upcoming Pink Metro line. Renowned educational institutes and healthcare facilities are also in close proximity. In addition to providing easy access to prominent employment hubs in the city, the area also boasts the presence of many good schools, colleges, hospitals, and shopping hotspots. In addition to its robust social infrastructure, Nandi Meraki also offers several amenities for residents to enjoy within the community. A temperature-controlled swimming pool, squash court, lotus pond, and reflexology walkway are among the standout amenities here. If you are passionate about contributing to sustainability or are interested in starting your journey towards it, this project is surely worth exploring. With its scenic lake views, thoughtfully crafted homes, modern amenities, strategic positioning, and easy access to the metro, the project offers significant appeal to both investors and home buyers. This was my review of Nandi Meraki. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share it. Remember to subscribe to MVTV for more such content and hit the bell icon to stay notified. This is Nitya Krishnamurthy Padmanabhan signing off with camera person Nagendran Sukumar.